Do it.
Bullshit.
Careful.
You ain't gonna do it.
Dude, don't hit the lip. Oh, shit. He did it. Way to go.
Crazy motherfucker.
I don't know, dude. Jump it. Hurry up. Come on.
Do it again.
Jump again.
I hit my back on the bottom of the floor. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, dude, I got it. Run. Dude, was that water cold?
No, it was actually pretty warm.
Really? Chick said it was cold. How do you shut this door? What are you pissing in the bathtub for?